Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Chippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Kia Cerato Si hatch, stock reference number 4535. This shape runs from the 10th month 2010 through to the 8th month 2013. It has a G4 KD, 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with 15-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear, 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor with extension type, right hand sun visor with extension type, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.